Alright, Tree Peekers here, back in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Looking for tracks in the river. So the bottom of the river here is really soft. And as you can see, it's just amazing back here. Water's pretty warm, really, for a mountain. Don't you feel it's warm? Ooh, squishy. Squish factor. Ah, squish. Squish. It's pretty squishy. I think it would fill in now that I'm walking in it. I think they'd make tracks and then they'd fill it, it'd fill in. They'd make a big but then, okay, so now we're coming up on a spot where we might be able to see something. I'm not seeing much. It's pretty deep over there. I better not swim with this camera. Walking along, it's about, oh, it's gonna be over my head right here. Okay, it's dropping down. I don't think I'm going across right there now. But as you can see, it's just amazing. And back this way, there's sandstone cliffs and there's I found something that I think might be really super squatchification. Super squatchy. Anyway, Tree Peekers on patrol.